Get ready. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Start. Backbencher. Balance of argument. Ballot box. Bank balance. Banking business. Banking community. Bared by limitation. Be all and end all of. Because there has been. Before I sit down. Before sitting down. Before the council. Before the end of the month. Before the select committee. Before your lordship's house. Best solution of the problem. Best will in the world. Better understanding. Between the devil and the deep sea. Beyond all doubt. Beyond the limits of. Beyond the powers of. Bill of exchange. Blank check. Board of directors. Board of education. Board of health. Board of inland revenue. Both houses of parliament. Both sides of the case. Bound hand and foot. Boys and girls. Breach of the peace. Breach of trust. Briefly explain. Bring into contract with. Bring the matter to the notice of. Bring up the matter. Bring your remarks to a close. British Commonwealth of Nations. British Empire. British imperialism. British statesmanship. Brought into line with. Brought into operation. Brought to a close. Brought to my attention. Brought to my notice. Budget debate. Burden of proof. Business center. But for the fact that by a very large majority, by far the most important, by means of which, by no stretch of imagination, by any stretch of imagination, by return of post, by some means or other, by some other means, by virtue of, by word of mouth,